Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop, the quick selection tools. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering these tools will significantly boost your editing efficiency. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing first, let's locate the quick selection tool, and it's the right here in the toolbars, and you can see there's the say is kind of this one, and it represents by the paintbrush with the dotted outlines. Okay, so this tool is fantastic for making precise selections quickly. Okay, to begin, you choose an image you want to work on. Here I will use this quick selection tools with this image, and I'll just select this one as the quick selection tools. And now the next thing is you can now we will use it into here, and we want to select this one with the orange, so I can just drag in there, just hold it. Now you can see it gives you the quick selection tools according to the colors. Okay, now also you can change here the different one by like your sizes. You can increase or decrease, like you can change the brush size if you want, or you can make this way, or so just come up like this way, and you can change the hardness or whatever you desire, or you can change, like if I gonna make it in here. And before that, I'll just undo it, and I'll change the settings from here, and let me use it and the settings, and I'll make it hardness a little bit, and I will use this one, and I can increase the brush size. Now let's see. So what happened, now you can see it come up like this, and you can now see it's also give some theme. Okay, and also you will notice the intelligence is select similar pixels in there, and making the process faster and more accurate for more complex selections. Don't worry, if it's not perfect in one go, you can add to your selections by holding down the shift key, and you can get here the different one by shift key, brush over, and the additional area. Like if I want to select this area, now you can say it can give you my also the selections in there. Okay, conversely, if you accidentally select too much, like you can use, like here we selected, so how can you remove it? By using the alter, and now you can see it can give you, or you can just do it here like I have just done it. And first I will hold the alter. Now you can see is also decreasing in here, and the selections there. Okay, so by using the shift, and also you can edit by using the alter, or for the options, and it can be decreased in the selections in there. Now I want to use this area. Before that, I'll change here. The hardness will be make it in here, and I can make it, or here do the little bit decrease the sizes. So here hold down, and I can make it here. Now it gives me the perfect selections in there. Okay, so this way you can easily use, or you can quick selection tools in your Photoshop. Okay, so there you have it. Quick selection tools is an absolute game changer in Photoshop. With a bit of practice and experimentations, you will shouldn't be using like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.